My son does not like going through car washes, guys. And so I got to do it when he's not here. He does not like it. Freaks him out. Okay, free advertisement. Car Wash Club, free advertisement. There you go, bro. On YouTube. Got a couple people behind me. These guys are not open till 9, but they're letting me go. Respect. Let's get it, baby. Like Goga says, everything is footage. Everything is content. Let's get it, baby. I'll make sure it's close properly. Sorry about the noise, but it can't be avoided. And if you think I'm getting out of this car to wipe it down, that's not happening anytime soon. That's not happening anytime soon, people. Oh shit, I just seen our Cross fan pop up on here for a live or a premiere. I gotta wait till I get out of this car wash so I can click on it. Welcome to Red's Room, where the sub stay humble. Spread love, not hate in this concrete jungle. This is the place where you can be yourself, no judgment. Run it up till the sun sets, right? Big things are going. Guys, I'm excited. I can't wait to see if I get approved for my free monetization. And it won't be long before the full monetization because I'm already close to 4,000 hours. I just let this YouTube thing take so long to update. Otherwise I would have been there already. But I'm not complaining because I did tell you guys at the end of March is when I was hoping to monetize. This is going right away. Way ahead of time. Way ahead of schedule, like you said. You guys can hear all that noise? That's the plan. I'm going to try and walk the car. Let's go. Having to fix this damn driveway though, man. It's filled with nothing but potholes, man. $8:32 in the morning. Dentist appointment, car wash, everything's done. I'm gonna go slow so I don't check up too much more dirt on the car. Cross fan, I'm gonna hit you up in a second, bro. I know. The senior premiere pop up. So click on it.
Welcome to the Red where life's a gang. Let's rewind you to bringing fame.
Cross Fam 5 in the building, people. Let's get this video premiere on. I was watching Captain Kirk's, and now I gotta. I've been watching Captain Kirk all night trying to get to it, and every time I go to watch it, another premiere pops up. So I'm trying to support everybody, and then I'll go back to Captain Kirk because he has a longer video. And I've been chipping away at his, showing some love and respect, you know. Working the content, and that video is pretty sick too, man, trust me. So I've been supporting a few people all night. I was on Eve's last night, and she was cooking up some food. But I had to go to bed because I know I had an early appointment for the dentist. But she was very supportive. She was trying to get some receipts on Goga before I do the show. And Goga pops up on the show. This guy's everywhere. He's like the news. Goga is really the president for real. Your Excellency. Respect, man. Let's go. I'll stop for a second and see if I can at least check out CrossFam's live. Let me see if I can stop right here for a minute and watch the live. All right, guys, thanks.